Assalamu alaikum. Hello guys. Welcome back Rimsha Decor. I hope all my viewers are fine and enjoy the day of life. If you know about my YouTube channel or are like it, then please visit my channel. Today I am showing some beautiful, absolutely delicious cake designed in different styles, different color combination and different sizes. Make sure you watch till the end. These designs are the most viral right now. So guys, if you new my YouTube channel, then don't miss another amazing video like this one. Then don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Please like, share, comment on my YouTube video. Thank you so much guys for watching my cake designs. If you don't miss any other amazing video like this one, then don't forget to press the bell icon. If you like this design, then please like, share, comment on my YouTube video. All the designs look so attractive, so stylish, so amazing and so beautiful. I provide you simple idea of how your cake that is most essential, that is most creative. Tell me in the comment box which design you like most favorite. I hope you enjoy my video. The creativity are mentioned on my YouTube video. Thank you so much guys to like, to share, to watching my YouTube video. I hope this video is very scientific and creative for your beautiful video and beautiful ideas. If you are interested in these types of videos, then please like, share, comment on my YouTube video and subscribe my YouTube channel for more videos, and tell me in comment box for more videos. I hope you like these designs. I hope you enjoy my cake designs. Cake decorating ideas can elaborate any celebrations. Cake decor ideas transfer space into bright celebrations. All the designs are very unique and trendy. If you like more ideas, specific design, then please visit my channel. Then don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. These decorations bring the excitement of birthday person's life and make the party unforgettable. These designs are very unique. You can use each design perfect for birthday celebrations, baby showers, bridal shower, groom shower, anniversary, professional party, or any other celebrations. I am sure cake design from this video. I hope you like this design with themed and color combinations. 2026 most trendy cake designs. Every design is easy and trendy. Comment your favorite cake designs. Thank you so much everyone. Allah Hafiz.